Here's my HelloFresh box. I just broke the seal just to make it that much easier to show you how it's packaged and what you get. I do get the vegetarian box, so let's take a look. This is how it looks when you open it up. This is like a bag to keep it cold. You get 3 recipes and you get 3 bags. Each bag has everything you need. And to identify the recipe to the bag, it's a picture. So this one has an eggplant. That one has a carrot. That one has a pepper. There's some more supplies. I have these to keep it cool. And here's the recipes. So each recipe has a picture on the recipe that coincides with a picture on the bag, so you know what bag of ingredients goes with what recipe. And you get 3. So there you go. The most ingredients are fresh. This is my second HelloFresh box, so give it another go. That's how it comes to you. Everything is still pretty cold. So there it is. This is the vegetarian box. Again, here's the recipes. I have the Greek flatbread, the soba noodle stir fry, and curried cauliflower and potatoes. Again, I do get the veggie box. This is how it comes. It is still cold. It is fresh. And so far, so good.